Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unstick the scroll wheel ratcheting mechanism in Logitech G502 X Plus. Alright, so first let's use the Hyperfast mode for the our wheel, actually. To enable that mode, currently, as you can see when I'm scrolling, I'm using the normal mode. To enable the super fast scrolling, hit and press this button in the middle, and now our scroll is spinning really fast, so we need to simply spin it for some period of time, and it's always good to use the compressed air, so our wheel is going to spin really fast, and we'll simply clear the debris from the mechanical catch. So that's how you can perform that. You simply use the compressed air and use this mode for scrolling the wheel. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.